Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. The Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line 1.5 TSI 150PS EVO comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a deep black pearl finish and it looks incredible. The car has just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle and it's jam-packed with some fantastic features, such as the 19-inch Suzuka alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, automatic headlights ensuring they're on at the correct times, and power folding wing mirrors which do fold in when locked. You have a fairly spacious boot size, you can fit a pram inside there when taking advantage of the additional storage space and height underneath, as you do get a lower level on the boot. ISOFIX points can be found in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and a sustainable amount of legroom in the back there for rear passengers' comfort. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive active info, but we'll touch on this a little bit later. You can see the flint grey, titanium black, and the R-Line embroidery on the seats, all working hand in hand to create a really stylish driving experience. The multifunction steering wheel does also allow you to configure the dashboard display to show key information like your driving data and your navigation. To the left hand side we have features like the adaptive cruise control to offer a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and also a layer of comfort throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and going into navigation, this incredibly detailed display will keep you on track to your required destination on the best possible route. It truly will fill you with confidence, allowing you to broaden your horizons when it comes to travelling, as you go to new locations you wouldn't normally go to, and when displaying it on your cluster, it makes it much more easier to follow. Over to our driving mode selection, the 4 different driving modes offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a performance-based drive, and Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings to get to that perfect driving position. For example, you can set your steering to Sport while remaining everything else on normal. Into our Park Pilot, we have the front and the back parking sensors to fill ourselves with confidence and safety in every manoeuvre. It ensures that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way, and it's great for places like shopping centres where parking could be traditionally a bit too tight. When we do pop the car into reverse, you will notice these sensors do automatically display, but it's nice to know we can access them at any point. The car also incorporates the heated seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozy winter experience, and these are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there. And speaking of separately controlled, the dual climate control allows you to separately control the temperature or synchronize it with a master switch on the driver's side. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 1 year roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online.